All right, y'all. Y'all see it. About to make my morning breakfast. Got my turkey sausage crumbles right here. My eggs. Yeah. Yeah. About to make me some breakfast tacos, breakfast burritos, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean? Yeah. My refrigerator. Got my Powerade, my 100% Capri Suns, got my grapes, strawberries, my expensive Lunchables. Yeah. So just made the shells. Then you fry the sausage. Yeah. Once you fry the sausage, get the eggs. Mix the eggs on in there. Sprinkle some salt, pepper. Stir a little more. Yeah, buddy. I'm trying to teach y'all how to prepare for this road. You know what I'm saying? Less money spent eating out. You know, I'm gonna be coming at y'all with some more meals though. That's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna show you the way. So now that the eggs done cooked, get you some cheese. How much cheese you want, determine on you. Let's do a little more. I like cheese, so. You know, put a little more seasoning on it. You know, nothing. Yeah. Let that cheese melt. Don't that look good, y'all? Scrambled eggs, crumbled up sausage. Then I got my tortilla shells and I got my sausage. So gotta make it work out here, y'all. Yep. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Check me out. Check me out, y'all. Okay, then what you do, you put the food, the eggs and sausage in the shell. Right here. Let it fry a little bit. We'll put this top on. Let it fry a little bit and woo, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Okay, y'all. Now that I browned it a little bit, a little salsa. Bam. Bam. Smoothing that out. Wrap that just like that. We're gonna wait on the other one, y'all. Cause we'll get it. Nah, we'll wait. So, there you have it, y'all. Breakfast burritos. Now I'm about to bite into this thing. Let y'all know what it tastes like. Woo! I did that. I did that. This will make you slap somebody mama. Woo! This shit is bomb. It's bussin'. It's bussin', Malaya. I'm telling you, it's bussin'. Woo! This thing is good. This right here is beating barber cooking. I'm telling you. Fire! Fire! Woo! Woo!